Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all doing amazing. Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 25 best transitions that you can use in your videos and make your videos more amazing. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see how we can download these transitions for free and how we can use it in Adobe Premiere Pro. These transitions are free to download. I mentioned the download link in the description below. Must check it out. So once you download this transition, it just look like this. So first of all, I have to extract this file. And now here I got a free preset file right here. So I need to go to my Premiere Pro to import this preset. So here I am right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use any version. So I'm currently using 2021 version. So first of all, I have to go to the effects panel. If this effects panel isn't appear here, don't worry about it. Just go to Windows and here you got an option of effects. Make sure it will be checked, or you can directly press Shift+7. So you got this option in your Adobe Premiere. So the first folder we got is preset. Just uncategorize it and right click here and you got an option of import preset. Here you go, just select this and press open, and after a few seconds it just appear in your effects folder like that. And as you can see, we got some couple of folders right here. So I'm just dropping some footage in my timeline. So I'm just downloaded this footage from Envato. You can also get the link in the description below. So for using these transitions, first of all, you have to create an adjustment layer. You can also directly use on your main footage, but it's not a good way to use this transition, because if you need some changing in your transitions later, so you cannot change and it may be some problem. So you can just create an adjustment layer and just drop it in your timeline. So these transitions working with 20 frames per second, like 10 frames on each side. You can also increase or decrease the duration of your transition. So I'm between the two footage. If I hold shift and right arrow key, it's going with the 5 frames per second, so I have to go with a 10 frames per second on right side. So I'm just press it twice and here I got a 10 frames per second on right side footage. So I delete this adjustment layer like this, and for a left footage like this, so I have a 20 frames per second adjustment layer. You can also increase or decrease the size of adjustment layer according to your project. So here is the transition. You just need to drag and drop it on adjustment layer. Now let's preview it. Yeah, that's working fine. You can also make changings in the transition if you really want. So just need to go to effects control, and here you got really effects that I actually applied on this transition. You can also make changings. You can also change the color or something if you really want to change. So now let me try some other transitions as well. So here is the stretch one. So you can also apply it and let's preview it. Here you go. It's a simple one, but it's looking really good. The next transition folder we got is wrap. You can also apply it and it's a really good one, as you can see. Yeah, that's a good one and a simple one transitions. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this pack. If you like this pack, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any problem or if you have any question about this pack. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.